Welcome to the jungle farms, where nature bursts with sweet, red lychees hanging in thick clusters. These trees are hidden deep within lush green forests, producing millions of fruits every season. It's a breathtaking sight, one that most people never get to see. In these remote areas, lychee farming is a way of life. Families have grown and harvested lychees for generations. Their skills, passed down over time, have created a thriving jungle economy based on this tropical fruit. Today, we'll take you behind the scenes of an incredible lychee harvest, from climbing tall trees to packing and transporting these juicy treasures. You're about to witness one of the most natural and hardworking farming processes in the world. Lychees grow best in warm, humid climates with rich, well-drained soil. That's why these jungle regions are perfect for lychee orchards. The trees flourish under a canopy of sun and rain, growing tall and wide with heavy branches. Local farmers care for these trees year-round. They prune, water, and protect them from pests, all without the use of heavy machinery. Everything here is done by hand, slow, careful, and deeply respectful of nature. Entire communities rely on these trees. When lychee season arrives, every hand is on deck. From children to elders, everyone plays a role in the harvest and sale of these fruits. It's more than farming, it's tradition. As the sun rises, farmers head out with baskets and climbing gear. With incredible balance, they scale the tall lychee trees and begin picking. Each tree can hold thousands of ripe fruits, glowing red among the green leaves. Harvesting is done with speed and care. The fruits are gently pulled by hand or cut with small tools to avoid damage. Large woven baskets are quickly filled with fresh lychees, one after another, in an impressive rhythm. Watching them work is mesmerizing. There's no noise of machines, only laughter, conversation, and the rustle of leaves as the jungle comes alive with the energy of harvest time. The farmers use handmade tools, bamboo poles, knives, and baskets. These tools have been refined over generations to work perfectly in the forest environment. Light, efficient, and eco-friendly. Instead of ladders, many farmers rely on their climbing skills. They tie ropes to branches for safety and often work barefoot to grip better. It's a mix of skill and bravery you won't find on modern farms. After picking, fruits are gathered under shaded trees to be sorted. It's a calming scene, baskets overflowing with red lychees, the air filled with their sweet fragrance, and farmers sharing stories as they work together. The narrow jungle paths eventually meet rough roads that lead to town. These trails are dusty in summer and muddy during the rains. But farmers brave them daily, determined to get their fruits to market. Many vehicles break down or get stuck, yet help is always nearby. Teamwork and community support are essential in these challenging conditions. Together, they push, pull, and move forward. Reaching the roadside markets is a moment of joy. It means the hardest part is over. From here, the fruits are offloaded and readied for buyers and distributors from nearby towns and cities. At the local collection points, lychees are sorted again. The best fruits are packed into clean crates, while smaller or damaged ones are sold in bulk at a lower price. Quality control is strict, buyers expect only the finest. Sorting is usually done by women, sitting in lines under makeshift tents. With practiced hands, they separate, clean, and arrange the lychees. Every crate must be full of uniformly red, ripe fruits. Once packed, crates are labeled and stacked high. Buyers line up to inspect the goods, negotiate prices, and prepare for transport. It's a bustling marketplace full of color, sound, and sweet aroma. Markets come alive with activity during lychee season. Buyers from cities and traders from nearby regions crowd around trucks and stalls. Everyone wants the freshest, ripest lychees for the best price. Negotiations happen fast. Farmers, often in groups, discuss rates and weigh their options. Some sell their fruits immediately, while others hold out for better offers. It's a game of timing and demand. After deals are made, the crates are loaded into larger trucks for transport. These will soon hit highways, carrying jungle-grown lychees to urban supermarkets, juice factories, and export hubs. For lychees heading abroad, the standards are even higher. Fruits are cleaned thoroughly, chilled quickly, and packaged in climate-controlled containers. Everything is done to preserve freshness during long journeys. Factories use cold water baths, drying tunnels, and even special gas treatments to keep lychees looking perfect. It's a mix of jungle harvest and high-tech precision. Nature meets innovation. From deep forests to foreign lands, these small fruits travel far and wide to delight taste buds worldwide. In the heart of the jungle, farmers nurture their trees and carefully harvest every fruit with pride and purpose. Without heavy machinery or big budgets, they rely on skill, teamwork, and local knowledge. Their efforts bring joy to millions who enjoy lychees without ever knowing where they.
Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon. Write your suggestions into comment box. Stay tuned for more amazing content.